Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pakita mo yan? Ganda ng mga anak mo. Gawa niya to. Ayan. Ano ba magagawin dito? Ito natural. Babatiin ang maganda pogi sa ating amahin. Happy birthday, Mama Ru. Ang wish ko lang is sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mo this year, yung mga gusto mo matupad, yung mga goal mo. And swertihin ka this year. Lahat ng love dito sa mundo, you deserve it. Sobrang bait mong tao, sobrang buti mo, sobrang generous mo. Salamat sa pagpapasaya sa amin. Salamat kahit alam namin na pagod ka. Nandiyan ka para sa amin. Alam mo kapag may problema yung bawat isa sa amin. And thank you. Na-appreciate ko yun ng mga time na kailangan ko kayo. Isa ka doon. Hindi tayo magdadrama dito, syempre. Mahal ka namin. At lalo mahal ka ni Mami Miss. Ganito kayo. Yan o, ganyan. Solid. Kita ba yan? Yan, ganyan. Wala na akong masabi. Pero, sobrang thank you. And mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. At thank you din sa pamilya na binuo mo na to. Sobrang maraming natulungan. Mental health problem. And then, mga alam mo na yun. Alam na natin lahat yan. Mahal kita. Solid. Mahal namin kayo. Mahal ko kayo. Happy birthday, Mommy!
Hi, Mama Ru! Happy 18th birthday to you. First of all, I want to thank God for giving us such a wonderful person like you. Maru, thank you for being a blessing to all of us. Thank you for being a source of our happiness. I am praying that all your wishes may come true by the blessings of the Lord. And yon, always remember that Chubby Babes is always here for you, no matter what happened. Handa kang sermonan at pagalitan. Charis. Hindi. Yan. Always remember that I am always here for you. You can count me in. Ayun. I wish na gawin at bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming at siksik, liglig at umaapaw na blessings. Ayun. And I wish na punuin ka pa ni Lord ng maraming love. And bigyan ka pa niya ng mahabang blessings. Because you deserve it all. No? And yun. Once again, happy 18th birthday! I love you! Happy birthday, Mama Ru! And also this one, he wanna greet you! Happy birthday, Mama Ru! Love you, Mama Ru. Say, happy birthday, Mama Ru. I love you. Thank you. Huh? What do you want? You want to greet Mama Ru? Happy birthday? O say happy birthday, Mama Ru. Come here. What do you want? Inday. Happy birthday, Mama Ru.
Hello po, Mama Ru. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko lang po is mag-iingat ka palagi sa work mo. Then, wag mo pong pababayaan sarili mo. Kumain ka po sa tamang oras. Then, uminom ka po ng gamot sa tamang oras. Kasi po, mas makakabuti po yun sa'yo. Then, wala na akong ibang masabi kundi thank you. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. And lalo na po sa'yo. As a leader, for me, is the best ka. You know, basta the best ka po para sa akin. And sobrang thank you po talaga. And to all, thank you po. And may ano lang po, may batang kakanta ng happy birthday for you. And sasabayan ko na lang din po siya. Happy birthday, Mama Ruth!
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ru! I love you!
Happy birthday, Daddy. My birthday to come. Alam kong napakabait mong tao. Deserve mo ng madaming blessings this 2025. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ako makakapasok ng FFBGC at hindi ko makikilala ang mga member. Ayun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Daddy. From the bottom of my heart. Rian loves you so much.
Happiest birthday po, Mama Ru. Wish you all the best, good health, and stay healthy. Love, lads.
Hello, Mama Wu. It's me, G. And I'm wishing you a happy birthday. And I'm praying that all your desires and all the goals that you set in 2025 will be a successful one. And hoping one day I will be invited to the grandest, the most amazing event of the century, if you know what I mean. With your Bebo Loves, diba? I'll be there. I'll be there for sure. And also, I'm wishing for your genuine happiness on your birthday. Have a blast, and we love you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ru, and I would like to thank you for everything you have done for our family, and thank you sa pagbuo ng Fakfaklandia dahil sa wordless na buo talaga ang FFBGC. And yes, palagi ko namang sinasabi sa iyo, palagi ko naman ni-express how thankful I am for having you as my friend, as our Mama Ru, as our leader, diba? Thank you so much for your effort, for our family, for your love and care. And ayun, wish ko lang na lahat ng ini-aim mo for this year ay makamit mo, and sana good health always, and ingatan ka ni Lord for every day na ginagawa mo. And ayun, number one prayer ko for you is bigyan ka ng good health and happiness in life. And ayun, always take care of yourself. Ayun lang, I love you, Mama Ru. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama Ru. I love you so much. We love you. Fakfaklandia loves you so much. God bless you always.
Ayan, so happy birthday, Maru! Ayan, halos kagigising ko lang dahil pinaghahandaan ko talaga tong araw na to. Mismong birthday mo, Maru. Ayan, sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko lang, yung health mo, sana laging okay. Sana lagi kang masaya. Ayan. At sana mas lalo pang tumagal at tumibay ang relasyon niyo ni Mitch. Ayun lang. Happy birthday, Maru.
Yo, first of all, I just want to greet you a happy birthday, Mama Ru, and stay what you are, stay who you are, and ano ba? Yun. Enjoy your special day. Kasi once in a year lang yun, Mama Ru. And yun, lagi mong tatandaan na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Kung may problema ka, lapit ka lang sa akin, magkwento ka lang sa akin. Papakinggan kita without judgment, Mama Ru. Promise yun. And lagi mong tatandaan, talikuran ka man ng mundo, layuan ka man ng maraming tao na nasa paligid mo. But still, mananatili ako nandito para sa'yo. Laging susuporta sa'yo, Mama Ru. Ayun, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tim. Happy birthday, Tito Jano. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Jana. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nong. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Hey! Happy birthday pala sa'yo, Sir Jano. Ingat ka palagi sa work mo. Then, maraming blessings pa sana dumating sa'yo. And then, gabayan ka lagi ni Lord sa araw-araw. And, love ka namin.
Hi, Nong. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana matupad lahat ng gusto mong makamit sa iyong life. At sana lagi kang healthy. Lagaan mo sarili mo. Ay, nuubo ako. At saka, salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa amin. Alam mo na yun. At ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, Mama. Chup chup. I love you.
Hello, Nong. Happy birthday. So, sana happy ka ngayong araw na to kasi birthday mo. Masasabi ko nga lang pala, thank you pala sa lahat ng support mo sa amin. Thank you sa lahat ng pasensya. Thank you sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo sa amin. So, wag kang magbabago. Mahal ka namin. Proud kami kung ano yung kung nasan ka man ngayon, kung ano yung na-achieve mo sa buhay mo. Tsaka wish ko sa'yo is good health at tsaka mahalin mo kung sino yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo. So, happy birthday, bro. Thank you sa lahat. Love you. Bye-bye.